All right, so for this next verse, you end it here, right, left, right. And so the moves are like you're picking something up, you're kind of crunching inwards, and your right leg is going up. So here, down, and once you put it down, it's pretty straight into the next move. So here, down, left, and you're leaning left, your legs are opening a little bit, and your right arm is pushing like you're like going through water. So here, here. And you're just doing the same both sides. So here, here. Again, this is crunch down, up, here, here. And then you're gonna scooch forward. No, your hips are going forward, your arms are going back. So here, here. So drinks to drink, and then the next move is your wrists are kind of going like this, flicking again, and your right leg is going out. So and you're kind of like balancing on your left leg, and you're twisting your like leg, foot, and ankle and everything to the left. So you're kind of going like here, here. So all your weight is on that, and that's how you're moving. This one's a little bit tricky, but just be safe, be careful. If something hurts, don't do it again. So again, this whole thing was here, down, out, out, here, hips forward, back, here, here. And usually you'd move with that. I just don't have a ton of room. I'd be on the side of the camera. So again, it's just be out, out. And that's the first part of the verse.